Hi Redhawks, welcome back to MHS News. I'm Jack Bullington.
And I'm Kalliope Theodorough. This is MHS News for Tuesday, October 21st.
Topping our news, girls volleyball senior night is tonight at home. Come out and support your seniors before they make a run at the state championship.
The girls play at 6 against Carmel. They are currently 27-5, 4-1 in conference.
This Sunday, Marist hosts an open house from 11 to 2. The visitors will be able to tour the entire campus as well as learn from Marist programs and finances. This is the deciding factor for many 8th graders who are determining where to go to high school. Many Marist students will be volunteering and getting service hours. They help make a great day a success.
Next week, Picture Day will be taking place. You must be in full uniform and you do not need to bring any money. Picture Day will be scheduled by your last names. Check your emails for more information. MHS News reporter Anthony Luzzo has more.
Next week from Monday to Thursday, Picture Day will be taking place. This is for freshmen, sophomore, and juniors. I'm here with the students to see what he will do to make himself look good. So what will you do?
I'm probably going to take a good shower, and I'm probably going to do my hair.
Thank you. This is Anthony Luzzo from MHS Media. Back to the desk.
Marist has recently partnered with more local mental health services to support your Redhawks. If you're ever feeling stressed or need someone to provide 24/7 support, they have 2 social workers and multiple counselors available to help with both academic and social stresses. MHSmedia.marist.net has an in-depth story about free resources in our showcase section.
The winners of the IDEA class from last year are taking their product to the next level. Sean Carroll, Samir Tadros, Colin Bucco, Danny Kelly, and Devin Feliciano worked together to make a product called Omni Shake, a type of shaker bottle used for fitness. They presented this product to a group of judges and got awarded $10,000 to get their business off the ground. The bottles are now on sale online at theomnishake.com and in the bookstore.
Rehearsals for fall play are underway. The play Little Woman will take place from November 6th through 9th in the Red Hawk Theater. This is a story about 4 sisters with bright dreams while facing many problems along the way.
Later today, the senior girls will be leaving for the Girls Kairos retreat. This is a time to get away from technology and school and spend time with each other and God. They leave today and come back home Friday night.
Let's get an update on Marist sports.
Hi Redhawks, I'm George Kottaras with a look at sports. As previously mentioned, our girls volleyball team faces the Carmel Corsairs tonight. Come out and support your Redhawks. In other sports news, last Friday, varsity football dominated Marmion Academy, winning 51-6. Over the weekend, cross country had their conference meet. Boys varsity placed 3rd, girls varsity placed 4th. Playoffs started this week for soccer. Last night they lost to Lincoln White East with a final score of 3-0. This Friday, varsity football takes a hike up north and what could possibly be their last game to Niles to face conference opponent Notre Dame. That's all for sports. Let's get a check on our weather.
Over the next few days, it will start calming down into fall weather with windy and cooler days. Today, it is sunny and breezy with a chance of rain, with the summer-like weather fading away. Tonight, it is going to be chilly, dropping down to a low of 44 with a chance of rain, so wear your fall clothes. Tomorrow, it will be a windy day with a high of only 52, so be prepared for the colder weather day. I'm Jimmy Hughes with a look at weather. Now back to the desk.
Yeah, volleyball playoff starts next week, so hopefully they can make a run.
I think their chances are pretty good.
Yeah, they're coming off state championship. Hopefully they continue the momentum.
Yeah.
I'm Jack Bullington.
And I'm Kalliope Theodorough.
Thanks for watching MHS News.
Fly high, Redhawks.